Craving something sweet and heartwarming? Today, let's bring a touch of home into European student life with the ultimate comfort dessert, Gajar Halwa. In this video, we're making this iconic carrot dessert, step by step, even in the hustle of student life abroad. First, we peel the carrots, an essential step to keep it smooth and fresh. After peeling, give them a good wash and then grate them finely. Now, onto the pan they go. Add sugar, cardamom seeds, vanilla, and butter. To make it creamy and indulgent, pour in a cup of milk. Stir it all together and let it cook on the stove until the milk reduces and everything thickens beautifully. And here's the secret to taking it up a notch. Top it off with your favorite nuts for that perfect crunch. And just like that, our Gajar Halwa is ready to serve. Rich, fragrant, and absolutely irresistible. Whether you're celebrating a special day or just missing home, this dessert brings warmth to every bite. Try it out and share your thoughts in the comments below.